In this next quick tip video, I'm showing you how to paint Tau skin, and I'm starting straight away. So this is a grey seer base coat. I've just put some Abaddon black around there, and I'm basing the head with some Fenrisian Grey, which is a nice light colour. So just work it all over the Tau skin, the head, the feet. Take your time, put it on nice and thinly. And make sure you cover all over. So once you've got that done, let it dry. If you do need to put a little bit extra on in some places, you can, but just take your time and make sure that the whole of the area is covered. Once that Fenrisian Grey is dry, we want to give it a little bit of a shade. We're not going to use a shade, we're actually going to use Spaceworld's Grey contrast paint. Now, you don't want to use too much on your brush for this, and all you're going to do is paint this all over the fleshy areas of the Tau. And this is a really nice, easy way of getting a nice kind of shade, but also some kind of texture in as well. So once you've got it on, you can see on the top there that it's kind of pooling a little bit. We don't want that, so wipe your brush off, make sure there's not too much water on it, just that it's damp. And all we're going to do is just take that away using the brush. And you can see that kind of brightens up quite nicely. And anywhere else you've got pooling where you think it doesn't quite look right, just use the brush to just take it away. Make sure you're happy with that. Let that dry. We've just got some highlighting to do, and then the Tau skin is done. Now that Spaceworld's Grey contrast paint is dry, it's actually giving us some really nice differentiation for the tones. So what I'm going to do is take the Fenrisian Grey that we started with and just kind of reinstate some of these kind of higher points. So you kind of got the eye sockets, just that part there, and this is going to be a really subtle kind of change, like the bottom lip there. So a really subtle change in terms of the kind of Spaceworld's Grey contrast paint, because it's not too far away from the colour, and that's because it's just giving us a nice shade. It's not so much about that stark colour difference. So just get that in there, get that finished, and then we've just got one more stage of highlighting and the Tau skin is done. And the last colour we're going to use for the Tau skin is Blue Horror, which is a lighter blue. And all we're going to do is we're going to just pop this again on those kind of raised areas. So we've got the kind of eye socket, cheekbone area there. And again, take your time with this, make sure you get some good sharp lines. When it comes to the mouth, we might want to put some wrinkles in, so we do that just by painting lines down, and you can see that's a really subtle effect using that Blue Horror. So there we are, I'm really happy with that. That Tau skin is done. Hope you've enjoyed it. Get out there and get painting for the greater good. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like and a comment down below. I really appreciate all the interaction I get from you guys. It really helps in terms of my development of the videos in this channel. There's some links in the video for my recommended equipment and also for Goblin Gaming, where you can get up to 20% off all your Warhammer, and they've got a huge range of other wargaming stuff as well. So if Warhammer's not your bag, they'll have something there for you. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.